Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a flyer design on CapCut and how to animate your flyer. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created on CapCut, this one. And then I'm going to add my image to this design. Make sure you have prepared background for your flyer guys, and here I have selected white background, but you can choose any color that you like. Okay, and I'm going to add my image, so I'm gonna go to the overlay, add overlay, and then I'm going to add for example this one. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background of this image, so I'm gonna go to the remove background and I'm going to choose auto removal. But if you don't have a pro account, you can choose custom removal, but I'm using this auto removal to make the process faster. Okay, then I'm going to add my second image. I'm going to go to the overlay again and add overlay, and for the second one I'm going to choose this image, and same with the first image, I'm going to remove the background of this image as well. Okay, and I'm going to arrange the position. You can keep arranging until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, like this guys. Alright, and then I'm going to add text to this flyer design. I'm gonna go to the text, select add text, and I'm going to type in, for example, healthy food. Okay, and I'm going to change the font. I'm gonna choose this one and I'm going to color it black. Okay, and I'm going to make it curve. So I'm gonna go to the curve and it's like this one. Okay, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit like this. Okay, wait. Alright, I'm going to place it here. And then I'm going to add sticker as well to make it more captivating. I'm going to go to the sticker and then I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, and I'm going to place it here. Alright, and wait, let me make the salad image smaller. Okay, just like this. Alright, and make the tags smaller as well. Okay, now it's done and it's time to animate the elements. Okay, like this. I'm going to go to the animation. Let me start with the salad. I'm gonna go to the animation and I'm going to choose slide up. Okay, for the second salad as well, slide up. And for the text, I'm going to go to the animation and I'm going to choose wait, let me choose the past animation for my text. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to animate the sticker as well. Wait, let me tap on the sticker, go to animation, and I'm going to choose bounce in. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to animate your flyer design on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.